Using your Guesty account starts with logging in. That's why the quick and easy process is also highly secure and focused on protecting you and your information. There are 2 ways to sign in to your Guesty account. The first way is to enter your email address right here. Click Continue, type in your password, and then click Sign In. The second way will only be available if you have a Google email address connected to your Guesty account. Click here, choose the relevant email address from the list, and if needed, approve Google's terms and conditions. If you are using a Google email address, both of these methods will always be available for you, regardless of how you logged in the past. When signing in for the first time from a new device or on a new browser, you'll be required to authenticate your identity using multi-factor authentication. You can choose between using Google Authenticator, receiving a verification SMS, or receiving a verification email. We recommend using SMS or Google Authenticator, which are more secure than email verification. Once you confirm the authentication, you'll be able to log into your Guesty account, and this new device or browser will be recognized in the future. You'll also receive another email from us ensuring you are aware of a new device that has just logged in, so you are always in control and secure. If you're experiencing issues logging in, it's recommended to clear your browser's cache and cookies before trying to sign in again. This solution is relevant to any browser you might be using. If the issue persists and you still can't log in, contact us at can'tlogin@guesty.com and we'll be happy to help. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.